I'm going to show you how to fix Pax Romana issue. Make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you should go to the Windows taskbar and select this upside arrow. Here, if you do find the Steam or Epic Games icon that you have the game on appearing, you should right click on it and then select exit. For the next step, go to the search and search for settings. Now go to the left menu and select Windows Update and make sure to click on this download and install all. If you do have pending updates, make sure to install them as well. For the second step, go to the search and type in Device Manager. Open this application. Now look for display adapters and open this. Select your graphics card, right click and select the first option. Follow up with the first option and then click close. Now you must relaunch the game launcher that you have the game on, which is Steam for me. Once done, you should go to the library and select collections. Now search for the game. If you do haven't installed, just select it. After that, click on this gear icon and click on properties. Then go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish so it can verify and recover any corrupted file. You should go to the Steam logo in the top left corner and then select settings. Now you should go to downloads and then select clear cache and then click confirm. Then go to storage and then select the drive that you have your game on. Now click on this settings or three dots and select repair library. Now for the next step, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click on any empty space and then select task manager. Now from here, you need to keep the CPU and memory below 100% as you can see right here to prevent any issue happening. So to do that, you should scroll through all of these processes and applications, and if you do find any suspicious or useless one that you don't really like it running in the background, you just right click on it and select exit or end task. And that's it. Hope this video is helpful. Consider subscribing and see you on the next one.